You could be destroying your confidence without saying a single word. These body language habits are silently screaming, "I'm insecure," to everyone around you. Most people think confidence is about what you say, but over 55% of communication is nonverbal. Let's break down the habits holding you back and how to fix them. Habit 1. Slouching. When you round your shoulders forward, you make yourself smaller. This signals low status. The fix. Imagine a string pulling you upward. Good posture boosts confidence chemicals in your brain. Habit 2. Fidgeting. These pacifying behaviors show anxiety. The fix. Keep your hands visible and use slow, intentional movements. Habit 3. Breaking eye contact too quickly. It signals discomfort. The fix. Maintain eye contact 50% when speaking and 70% when listening. Habit 4. Making yourself smaller. Crossing arms or shrinking your body sends insecurity signals. The fix. Take up space naturally. Uncross your arms and adopt a grounded stance. Habit 5. Over-nodding. A few nods show engagement. Too many look like approval-seeking. The fix. Nod only when appropriate. Habit 6. Forced smiling. Constant smiling can look like you're apologizing for being there. The fix. Smile when it's natural. Neutral expressions are healthy and confident. Habit 7. Looking down when you walk. This is avoidance behavior. The fix. Keep your eyes up and head level. Look toward the horizon. Confidence isn't born, it's built. Fix one habit today. Straighten your posture. Take up space. Make eye contact. Change how you carry yourself, and you'll change how you feel. Own the room.